It's very
Yeah. So today we are going to talk about the functions of operating system. Yesterday I have introduced operating system and quick review of operating system. It is a system software. It acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. Different examples of operating system. Now, what are the services provided by the operating system? It provides the environment for the execution of programs, and it provides the services to the programs and to the users. Now, what are the services or the functions of operating system? The first function is the user interface. As I already told that it acts as an interface between the hardware and the user. So we all know about the graphical user interface, GUI, and Windows is a example of GUI, and mostly widely used interface is GUI. Now the other function is program execution. The third is IO operation. Now whenever we use computer, we need to have kind of input operations and output operations. So whenever we are doing input and output operations, we deal with different input and output uh, peripheral devices. So that when we are using keyboard, we actually feel that it is controlled by us, but actually it is controlled by the CPU operating system. So these are the input devices, few input devices, and these keyboard, mouse, other inputs. Here you have the output devices like monitor, printer, speaker, etc. So it deals with the input and output operations. So whatever the user want to deal with input and output operations, it is actually performed by an operating system. But the feeling or the impression is given as the user has every control. The other function is the file system manipulation. Now, what is file system manipulation? It deals with different operations which can be performed with the files. Now, files, you know, right from creating a file, copying a file, deleting a file, or you can move the file. So, whatever the operations that can be done. The other, the other function is communication. Every time computer needs to communicate with different devices. Those devices can be external devices or the input output peripheral device. So every time computer needs to connect itself with different computers, whether they are located at the same place or the other. The other important function is error detection. As you know that there can be a kind of error detection. So error detection is again most important function that is performed by operating system. Error can be detected by different. There are different platforms which can be used by for finding out the errors, and error detection or finding an error is the most important function, because without that the program no program can be executed with accuracy. So if you want the output to be perfect, then we need to find an error detection, and therefore error detection is done by operating system. So this is about error detection. And the next function performed by operating system is resource allocation. Now different processes are there waiting to get the resources. The resources can be any hardware device which can be used as the resources. Now it is the major function of operating system to allot those resources to the process. It should not happen that the processing is waiting in a queue to get the resources or to get the allotment of the CPU, and therefore operating system plays a important role in resource allocation. There are different resources and that can be allotted as and when as per the request of the programs. So programs, which are also sometimes called as processes, can make requests to get the different resources, and as per their request the resources can be allotted by the operating system. So whenever any process is waiting to get the resource, the operating system is the one who allots the resources to every process, because there are simultaneously many processes are going on. Now the other main important function is accounting and the protection security. As we know that whatever the work we deal with computer has to be protected and with the most of security. Like for example, every time we create a file we make use of the password. So also the data has to be encrypted. So the security and the protection is again a most important function or the service provided by the operating system. So it also deals with the protection and the security, as we know that different types of viruses are there, computer worms are there. So how to protect the system and provide the security. So in all, this is the review, user interface, program execution, input-output operations, file system manipulation, communications, error detection, resource allocation, accounting, protection and security. So these are the computer system functions. Or
Yes, Smita madam, go ahead.
Yes, you start.
Okay,
I started recording also.
okay.